So for this next hack, we're gonna be showing you guys how to get inside Chick-fil-A on a Sunday when they're closed.
What?
It's open.
It's open. That's an employee. That's an employee.
You guys start opening on What? Wait, this looks and smells so good. I'm gonna do this every time we go to Chick-fil-A. Hey guys, welcome back to this week's YouTube video. So, this week we're gonna be testing out some TikTok food hacks, kind of like the part 2 to the testing viral TikTok life hacks. So for everyone who wanted a part 2, this is your part 2. I'm really excited to try out these hacks, and also we're really hungry as well. So we're really excited to be trying some of these food hacks. And if you're excited for this video as well, be sure to give this video a like. Let's shoot for 100,000 likes once again. And yeah, let's get started with the video. Alright, so for this food hack, it looks like it's a McDonald's food hack, and let's watch the video right here. Alright, so it looks like you need ice cream and 2 chocolate chip cookies, and then you combine the chocolate chip cookies together and put the ice cream in the middle, and you make like a little so it's like an ice cream cookie sandwich. Yeah. Oh, it looks good. No, because like here, the thing with McDonald's is like they have like really good ice cream and really good cookies. So that's like a very good dessert combination that I've never tried out before. So let's run to McDonald's and try it out. Yeah. All right, so we just got back from McDonald's, and lucky for us, their ice cream machine was working. So now we can finally put the ice cream cookie sandwich to the test. 2 cookies per ice cream sandwich is what you're gonna need. All right, this is messy. Oh, look how good that looks. Wait, make mine. Did you just eat it? He just licked a spoon. I'm not gonna eat that anymore. There we go. Look how good this looks. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Why is it so good? I would rate this like a 9 out of 10. Highly recommend this. This is one of the best desserts I've ever had. I definitely recommend trying this out. But yeah, let's move on to the next life hack. All right, so for this next food hack, we are at Starbucks right now. And we're gonna be testing out this drink hack. Apparently it's like on their secret menu, but no, it's not even on the secret menu. You just have to request this drink. It's called a mermaid frappuccino, but here's the hack right here. We're gonna go check it out. Okay, so it looks like you just add whole milk. Then you get vanilla bean extract, 2 scoops of that. Then you get dragon fruit, 3 pumps of cream, syrup base, lots of ice, and then you blend it, add matcha powder, dragon fruit dust, and then there's the drink. Seems really complicated, but it actually looks really cool. Like, I've never seen a drink like this before. Like, are they even gonna be able to make it, you think? I don't know. It looks really good, so we should just go inside and test it out, Alan. So yeah, let's just do that. Are you familiar with the TikTok frappuccino? Renegade shake? Mermaid frappuccino? Yeah, the mermaid frappuccino. Like, we have the video right here. It has like the ingredients. Would you guys really not ever just like the renegade shake? Like, it's supposed to be like Alright, so we have a mermaid frappuccino here, but I'm actually really surprised that they've never heard of the renegade shake or the TikTok frappuccino. Actually, a renegade shake is just something we made up. But anyways, here's the mermaid frappuccino, and it actually looks really good. Let's try it out. Here we go. This might be my favorite drink. It's like super complicated, but it's like so good. I would definitely recommend getting this. All right, so we're at Chick-fil-A now, and this hack will actually let you get Chick-fil-A on a Sunday when they're supposedly closed. And also, we're gonna be trying out a food hack as well while we're here. And yeah, let's just get started. All right, so for this food hack right here, it looks like he just got some chicken nuggets, some fries, ranch sauce, and buffalo sauce, and a salad container. Then he shakes it up, and he's got a homemade buffalo style chicken nuggets and fries. That actually looks really good. So yeah, let's go test it out on a Sunday. I'm excited to try this. Yeah, I know, and I'm also excited to see if we can get it on a Sunday. We used to work at Chick-fil-A. That's how we know this hack works. Okay, so let's go test it out. All right, so this is the back entrance, but I actually seen an employee inside, so...
What?
It's open. Open on Sundays. Today's not Sunday? Wait, what? Wait, I'm so confused. Okay, so you guys aren't open on Sundays. Like, nowhere. Nowhere's open on Sundays. Alright, so we have all the ingredients right here. We actually added a barbecue, which is like optional, but we just wanted barbecue just because we don't want it like too spicy. Also, a huge bummer, we thought today was Sunday. Turns out it wasn't Sunday. It's not Sunday. The employee was pretty confused. Anyways, we have our 8-piece chicken nuggets and the waffle fries, and we already have it mixed in. Okay, mix it in. And now I'm putting in the barbecue. Oh, this already looks really good. That is true. Alright, I just did a horrible job, but now the only step left is mixing it, put the lid on it, and shake it up. 1, 2, 3. Don't break it. Okay, here we go. Oh, wait, this looks and smells so good. I'm not joking around, this is actually so good. I'm gonna do this every time I go to Chick-fil-A. I'm not even lying. Just so you guys know, we're not capping. I actually finished every single bite. There's nothing. Alex, we're filming. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go get another one. All right, so for this TikTok food hack, we're gonna be making a watermelon smoothie. First thing you need is obviously a watermelon. And the next thing you need is something sharp to cut like an incision point in the watermelon where you're gonna be, and then you're gonna place it's easier to show you guys. So step one, we have the watermelon. Step two, we're gonna cut a little circle. Oh my gosh, be careful, Alan. We got a different knife for it, so one that can cut deeper. Oh, okay, all right. So when you feel like you've made the hole big enough for the mixer to fit in, you stick the mixer in. So you want to blend it for about 30 seconds to completely liquefy the watermelon. All right, so we just blended it for about 30 seconds. Take a look inside to see if there's any juice. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of juice in it. All right, so what you want to do next is you want to get like a little cup and cut it directly in the middle. After you cut the cup in half, you want to reshape the opening so the cup can fit in there a little better. Okay, so now the hole looks like it'll fit the cup. Let's see if it works. And oh, there we go. Oh, that fits perfectly. Look at this. Wow. It's like a perfect little pouring spout. Here. All right. Moment of truth, guys. Oh, that's not bad. Here, wait, you know what? I have a better idea. Let's get rid of the pouring spout and let's just dump it in. That's definitely a way better way. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. We don't need the cup. We don't need the cup. We can just drink it like this. Wow, you know, or better yet, you drink out of that, I'll drink out of it like this, Alan. Go. You want to taste test it? Taste test in 3, 2, 1. Mmm. This is so good. I forgot how watermelon juice tasted like. Wait, this is actually so good, and this is super healthy too. So, you know, like I mentioned, I don't think you actually need a pouring spout. If you don't mind pouring it in the cup like I just did, it seemed a lot easier. And yeah, or you can just drink it out of it like this, but I highly doubt this is a good idea because other people may not want to drink after you, which I don't care. So one more neat trick you can do with the watermelon, you can actually turn a watermelon smoothie into a watermelon freezy by putting it in the freezer. This is something cool, a neat little trick that you can try with your friends and a watermelon. And yeah, I would recommend it. And now let's move on to the next hack. Okay, so for the next food hack, it's also a McDonald's food hack. And yeah, here's a video right here. Let's go watch it. Okay, looks like you need a power drill. And then you're gonna be putting snacks inside a McFlurry. And you're gonna use the power drill to like blend it up. And once it's done, it should come out looking really, really good. That's what it looks like. Let's go test that one out as well. All right, so we just got back from McDonald's. We have our McFlurries and our snacks right here. We chose Kit Kats and Hershey's. You also need a power drill for this, obviously, or a blender, anything like that, or a mixer. Basically, we're gonna be putting these snacks inside a McFlurry, and we're gonna be mixing it up, and that way you have your own custom-made McFlurry. So let's put in the Kit Kats first. 2 Kit Kats in each. Now onto the Hershey's. This and this. Oh, that's really good. Yeah. Okay, all right, so we're gonna mix it up. Oh! That didn't work. We're gonna have to clean all this up.
Oh my god.
Okay, so clearly I did something wrong. I didn't hold on to it. So you hold on to it this time. I'll hold on to it this time and you'll blend it, okay? Be careful though. What if it like cuts your hand? Go. Oh! 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 Okay, alright. I think it's ready. Oh my god. This looks good! This looks good. Alright, so a taste test. How is it? It's a lot better than it was earlier, but really? It's so much better. Give it. This food hack I would give about a 7 out of 10. I would highly recommend this. I don't think it's too safe. All right, so for this next food hack, it's more of like a cooking hack. Basically, the video is right here. It's like an egg sandwich hack. Yeah, so inside the video, okay, so you just put a little bit of butter inside the pan. Pour the eggs in after mixing it. Get 2 slices of bread. Dip the bread in each side, and then flip the egg over. Flip up the side. Now flip up the other side in it, and there's a sandwich right there. Whoa, wow, that looks yummy. I'm gonna have to try that. That actually looks so good. Yeah, let's go test it out. First step, we don't have butter, so we're gonna use cooking spray instead. It doesn't really matter. So step 1, and then what we want to do now is want to get 3 eggs. What we want to do now is we want to like whip it up, stir it up to where it's really scrambly looking. Ooh, that looks good. So you dip the first slice in like this, and second one in like this. Let it sit for about 30 seconds. All right, so right now we're just gonna flip it around. Flip it over. Oh, that's not bad. Not bad. I didn't think he'd be able to pull it off. All right, so now you want to tuck the edges in, like that. All right, now and then flip it around. Boom. Boom! Look at that. That looks so good! It looks so good in the video. This is how it came out like.
What is this?
Did we do something wrong? Did we skip a step?
I mean, it still turned out pretty good. I think I just used too many eggs. I would recommend using 2 eggs and not 3 eggs. Alex will be doing his version of it and seeing if he can do a better job.
All right. I put 2 eggs in this time. Ah. Oh, wait, it has to be even. I know that. This isn't good.
I'm gonna let it sit for a few seconds and then I'm gonna flip it around.
3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks good.
Mine actually looks pretty good. All right, taste test. 3, 2, 1. This is a good breakfast. I'd eat this for breakfast.
I would actually eat this.
Yeah, it's just,
I would. I just have to get better at it, and once I perfect it, I would eat this every day,
I feel like there's no flavor, but other than that, like this is like a really quick way to make an egg sandwich. So yeah, this was not bad.
All right, so we have another food hack right here. All you need is a bag of hot Cheetos and then some sliced pickles and flaming hot Cheetos. For this food hack, you just need to crush up the Cheetos, and then once they're done, you put the pickles, the sliced pickles, inside the hot Cheetos, and then it'll stick on the pickles, and then you have a hot Cheeto pickle.
Okay.
That doesn't look very good, but we're just trying this out for you guys. You know, it might be good. So yeah, let's just start crushing up the bag of Cheetos.
Yeah.
Oh, this is good. I just gotta do it for a little while.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
We don't have time for this.
I thought he was gonna hit my head with it. That's why I ducked. I was like, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Wait, hold on. I actually want to try another way because this isn't really working out that well.
Oh my. Ow, ow, ow. Oh!
Did it work?
I don't even think I landed on a Cheeto. I didn't hear it.
Okay, so I think the whatever body slam you did to me worked a little too good because it ripped a hole in it. Oh, hey, there we go. It's actually kind of crushed up nicely.
Moment of truth. You want to go first, Alan?
I'll do the honors.
You'll go, and then I'll go, and then we'll see how it tastes like.
I don't really like pickles, so okay, let's see. You know,
oh yeah. Oh, there we go. Look at that.
Wow, I can already smell it. It smells like pretty nasty.
This is almost like a dare. Like I wouldn't eat this on my own. All right. How is it?
I don't know. It's a lot better than just eating a pickle. I'll say that. Doesn't taste that good, but it doesn't taste bad. But I definitely want to eat it again on my own free will. Like, all right, my turn. It tastes like fried pickles.
This is not it.
This is not the
For
move.
the sake of the video, I'm not gonna throw up, but this is bad. I'm throwing this away. Oh my gosh, that was so bad.
Please don't try that.
Okay, let's do the next hack.
All right, so for this next hack, we're gonna need you to subscribe, like the video. It's a really good hack if you want to see more of our YouTube videos.
Yeah, so by subscribing, our videos will pop up more, and hey, like, that's a good hack if you want to see more of our videos. So yeah, please subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it at all. And thank you so much for watching once again, and we'll see you guys next time.